Welcome to Beginning Keyboarding. I'm Nancy Backlund. I'm your instructor. This video is to help you get a great start to your course and be successful. So once you've watched the video, you're going to go beneath it and click on that Welcome button. The Welcome button takes you to a list of modules, and you're going to complete each module each week. This first module, though, is just an overview of the requirements and how the grades work and such. So you'll want to start at the very first page of the Welcome module, click on it, read it, and then click the next button at the bottom right corner. Progress through the module in sequence, and at the end you'll have 2 assignments to submit as well as a quiz on the contents of the Welcome module. You must have a 7 out of 10 on the quiz and complete the other 2 assignments, and then the week 1 module will open for you. First 2 lessons are assigned in the week 1 module. You will need to have your textbook and your code in order to complete both lessons. You may be able to be started without the code or the textbook because you can have a temporary code, but you won't be able to complete the work. So it's very important that you get your textbook and your code, and the MJC bookstore is probably the least expensive route for you to purchase both of those items as a bundle. So each week you'll go through each module, do it in sequence, and please read every page. The pages are there to give you instructions on how to be successful for the week. And each assignment has a series of steps that will guide you on how to prepare and submit that particular lesson that you're completing. Okay? Keep in mind too, this class does take practice, so just completing the drills does complete that portion of your grade, but you want your speed and accuracy to improve on a regular basis, and that does require a little maybe extra practice. So hopefully you'll be a touch typist by the end of the term. We have a 10-week class, so it will go week by week, and you will see some improvement as long as you're following the technique guidelines that we've given you in the class. Okay? Let me know if you have any questions by emailing me in Canvas using the inbox tool on the left side of your screen there. I will get back to you as soon as I can. I wish you a great class, and I look forward to working with you.